Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a Trendmood unboxing because my husband surprised me with this box yesterday and I was super excited. So I figured, hey, why not be the unboxing bitch this week? So this is what the box looks like. I'm wearing a shirt that is like 3 sizes too small right now. I didn't realize that it was gonna be too small until I brought it up here and I was changing shirts from one video to the other. And it was made for somebody who was like, I don't know, infantile because my alien arms just are not doing it.
That guy in a little coat.
So I have actually been a longtime watcher of the Trendmood boxes. I've never been able to get one because they always sell out so fast. But this time around, my husband was like, oh, I got you a present. And I was like, really? And he said, yeah, it's a Trendmood box. Have you ever heard of them? I was like, you were able to get one? So I was very excited whenever he surprised me with this yesterday. So I figured that I would do an unboxing. Hint, I've already unboxed it. I couldn't help myself. I already know what's inside of it, but I was really excited to share it because it's got some really good stuff in here. So this is what the box looks like. Whenever you open it up, let me just open it up with my very small sleeves at the moment. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. I actually had a little snafu with this box. So it comes with the Ojix or the Ojix shampoo, conditioner, and keratin smoothing oil spray. And it had leaked a good bit in this box. So the box smells fantastic. So this is the first thing. Go ahead and mention it. This is the Ojix Keratin Smoothing Oil Shampoo, 5-in-1 benefits, frizz-free. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think this brand has some issues, like some drama with it. I could be wrong here, but I'm thinking that the Ojix brand was on the list of shampoo brands to recall, or it was like involved in a class action lawsuit. I'm not really sure. I'll let you know down in the comment section down below or the description box. This is the other stuff in here, and let me show you what I was most excited about, that I actually went on a shopping spree after I opened this box, because let me tell you, it is beautiful. So two of the things that are in this box is the Danessa Myricks Twin Flames multi-chrome pigments for the eyes and face. And y'all, these are so gorgeous. So this is the containers that they come in. They look like these beautiful crystals. I'm not even sure if camera is going to do these justice, and my sleeves are ridiculous. So, but this one is in the shade Young Love, and it has this beautiful green pink shift. I'm going to swatch it in just a second. And then the second one is in the shade Passion. Absolutely gorgeous. It comes in this little carton right here, which I had to rip open because I was so excited. So this one right here is Passion, and this one is Young Love, and I was very excited to get these in my box because they're so beautiful. They're $26 a piece, so that pretty much pays for the box because I think the box is like $45 or $42. And then the second thing that came in the boxes are the One Size products. These are Patrick Starrr products. These are the One Size Ultimate Setting Powders. So they have 2 colors. One is the translucent and one is the dark deep, which I so appreciate him including 2 separate colors to be very inclusive with everybody, because so many times you buy a mystery box and it comes with a palette or face products that just only suit light colors or light medium, and so many other skin tones, dark, deep dark, just miss out on that, and it's such a shame. So these are in here. This is the translucent, as I mentioned before, and this is the deep dark. I'll go ahead and open up the deep dark for you. So I'm pretty sure this is a full size. It didn't come with a pamphlet or anything, but this is what the component looks like. It has a really cute pink with the One Size metallic red logo. The other one is exactly the same. And then whenever you open it up, it has a sifter and it's not open. I'm probably going to use this as a bronzer or as a setting powder, like for around the perimeter of my face when it gets a little bit warmer. The next thing that was in the box, which once again I was very excited about, is the Vegan Beauty, KVD Vegan Beauty, which is formerly Kat Von D Beauty. This is the Dazzle Sticks. This is a long wear eyeshadow. This is the color Electro Bolt. And when I swatched this yesterday, I squealed. I was so excited. So this is what the product looks like whenever you open it up. It just has a little turny knobby thing in here. And it is a very, very soft eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch it on here. And it is a very soft product. So you have to be very, very careful with it because it seems to be fragile. And it is one of the most beautiful coppery duochrome eyeshadows that I think I have ever seen before. It almost has a shift of blue and green. This is going to be beautiful for the spring and summertime. I cannot wait to use it. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm just looking at it in my viewfinder because it's catching my eye in such a lovely way. But I was really excited about that. I don't know how much these retail for, but knowing KVD and Kat Von D products, it's probably in the $20 range. So that is a really good deal. So the next product that was in here is once again another One Size product, and once again this is a Patrick Starrr product, and I was really excited to try this. So this is the One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's really cute. I love pink and red together, and it's very appropriate for this month actually too. So this is a blurring primer. Whenever you open it up, it has a very nice squeezy tube. So I'm just gonna show you on my hand here. So this is what the product looks like. It just comes out white, and then whenever you rub it in, it disappears completely. And on my hand, it actually does sort of blur and make everything look a little bit smoother and nicer. So I do look forward to using that on my face very, very soon. And I'm thinking, if I'm not mistaken, that is $30 as well. So really and truly, this is a fantastic value for your money. So the final thing in the box, I think it's the final thing, I'm pretty sure it's the final thing, is from the brand True Botanicals. This is a skincare item, and this is the Renew Chibula Active Immunity Serum. I actually used this last night with my husband, so I squeezed some in my hand, I squeezed some in his hand, and we put it all over our faces, and it felt really nice. A little sticky for a couple of minutes, and then it dried down to a nice, like non-sticky finish. And this has so many really nurturing ingredients in here that are mostly organic. So it's got green tea, it's got aloe vera, it's got citrus, Loreal flower, blah, blah, blah. It's got lots of good things in here. And one thing I will say about this, so this is what the packaging looks like. This smells very medicinal. So if you're not really into the whole botanical medicinal type of smell, you're probably not gonna like this. You have that really fresh, just cut grass smell. This sort of smells like that too, incorporated with other things like lemon juice or something. It's something definitely citrus in there, but it's supposed to give you brighter, smoother, and more youthful looking skin. So I'm all about that. I'm 41. And yes, please, I need that in my life. So yeah, that is going to do it for this Trendmood unboxing. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. I just spit. And I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Not with a small shirt on. Bye.